Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to show you how to make walnut pizza dessert. Yes, that's walnut pizza dessert. So basically that's using a pizza dough, and then I'm going to fry it just like you're frying fried dough, and then we're going to put the frosting on it and walnuts and make it into a dessert. Okay, you don't want to miss this. Okay, we'll be right back. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, one more thing before I adjust the camera, I would like for you to hit the like button if you like it, share the video and ask them to hit the like button, subscribe if this is your first time on this channel, and check out the links below. Okay, I really appreciate you hitting the like button if you really like it, and I think you'll like it. Okay, alright, so we're gonna just get started. Okay, so what I bought here is some basil pizza dough. Okay, I paid, I think it was $1.39 for the package. Okay, you know, pizza dough is made with yeast, so it rises. So this is how come it looks kind of puffy. That's because the yeast is in there. Okay, and it has activated. All right, so I cut it into pieces. Here's a piece that I cut to show you. Okay, and then you just stretch it out. You can cut it any way you want. You want it big pieces, little pieces, round balls, whatever you want. Okay, and just stretch it out like so. Okay, I'm going to do one more to show you. Here's the dough. If you want it into a ball, you just roll it like this. Make sure you seal the ends. And then roll it again. And then you fry it like that if you want it into a ball. Okay, but today we're going to have it flat. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces I got out of that one package for $1.39. Okay, alright, so I have olive oil in the frying pan, which I believe it should be good and hot now. Okay, so let me put a piece in for you to see, and we're going to test it. Yeah, you hear that? It's ready. So you put as many pieces as you can. Don't overcrowd it because you don't want the oil temperature to drop. Okay. Okay, I have about 4 pieces in there. That's plenty. You're going to start to see, let me show you. You see how it's bubbling up? Okay. It's going to start to bubble up. And when it does that, you want to turn it over. And it's going to you're going to see it starting to get brown on the edges. Yep, that's ready. So that was all of what? I'd say a minute. Okay, now I got to get a plate to put that on because it's ready to come out that fast. So what are we talking? A minute on each side, right? Okay, I have a plate with a paper towel to put the cooked fried dough on to drain. You want to just take a peek at the bottom. Sometimes you may have to turn it over again if you see a spot that didn't really get cooked. Okay. Okay, in less than 2 minutes, that's done. Let you take a look at that. You see? Okay, and now we're going to just continue to cook it as I showed you. So I'm going to fry the rest of my dough, and then I'll bring you back and show you what I'm going to do with the next step, okay? Okay, give me about 2 minutes. Okay, so our basil pizza dough is all fried. Here it is right here, okay? Alright, now I have here some cream cheese whipped frosting, okay? So that's what I have in the bowl right here. And then I have some walnuts, okay? Alright. So what we're going to do is, I heated up the frosting in the microwave on 1 minute. Just to get it to a liquid form. See that? Okay, so now we're just going to drizzle it onto the fried basil pizza dough. So you want to put this frosting on warm because you want the walnuts to stick to it, okay? One last one to do. Okay. Now, let me show you that. Okay. Alright, now we're going to take the chopped up walnuts. I chopped them up. And you're just going to put it over the frosting. Let me use my hand because I can better aim the nuts. And those walnuts will stick to the hot frosting. And there we have it. Pizza walnut dessert. How about that, huh? Look cool? Okay. So let me get in the picture. Wow, look at that. Good job. Okay. And let me just taste one. If I can get one. There we go. Mmm. I taste the softness of the dough, the sweetness of the frosting, melted frosting, and the crunchy saltiness of the nuts. What a combination. You will love it, love it, love it. Until next time, God bless. Hit the like button if you like it, okay? And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.